Hello students, today we are going to start with the topic transformation of sentences part 1. In this video we are going to learn following topics. First, degrees, second, question tags, third, remove to, interchange of affirmative and negative. Let us understand first what is transformation. Transformation means changing its form without changing its meaning and tense. Let's start with the first topic, interchange of degrees of comparison. When only two things or person are compared, we use comparative or the positive degree. Let us understand with the help of few examples. For example, first, Mahesh is as tall as Ramesh. While changing it into comparative, Ramesh is not taller than Mahesh. Second example, she is not so beautiful as her sister. Her comparative of it is, her sister is more beautiful than she is. Now children, when more than two person, things, etc. are compared, then we use superlative degrees. To understand superlative degrees, let's start with, there are few important points, we will keep it in mind. अगर पॉजिटिव में नो अदर है तो कंपैरेटिव में हम एनी अदर यूज़ करेंगे और वैसे ही सुपरलेटिव में द यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नो अदर मैन वॉज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एज भीम. इन कंपैरेटिव, भीम वॉज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन एनी अदर मैन. एंड सुपरलेटिव, भीम वॉज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मैन. लेट अस सी अनदर वे टू चेंज द डिग्री. वेरी फ्यू के साथ हम कंपैरेटिव में मोस्ट या मैनी अदर यूज़ करेंगे और सुपरलेटिव में वन ऑफ द यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेरी फ्यू गर्ल्स आर एज टॉल एज निशा. इन कंपैरेटिव, निशा इज़ टॉलर देन मैनी अदर गर्ल्स. एंड इन सुपरलेटिव, निशा इज़ वन ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट गर्ल्स. So in this manner we are going to make changes in positive, comparative and superlative degree. Let's talk about the question tags. In the question tags, a statement followed by a little question is called a question tag. It is used when a speaker wants the listener to confirm what he or she has to say. Now, when the statement is positive, the tag is negative. For example, he can understand English. Now the sentence is positive, its tag will be negative. He can understand English, can't he? Second, when the statement is negative, the tag is positive. For example, she can't understand Gujarati. The answer will be, she can't understand Gujarati, can she? So in this manner, we are going to make changes in question tags. Now, children, our next topic is adverb to. Let's understand some rules. Adverb to is replaced with so that. How it is converted? Replace the adverb to with the so. Replace the to, to, with the conjunction that. Now, for understanding these rules, let us understand some examples. First example is, he is too weak to walk. When we will remove to, it becomes, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Second example, he was too tired to do anything. He was so tired that he couldn't do anything. Cannot comes when sentence is in the present tense. Could not comes when sentence is in the past tense. These are two most important points to be remembered. Now our next topic is interchange of affirmatives and negative sentences. Let's first understand what is an affirmative sentence. The sentence which is used to describe positive action or expression. They do not contain any word of negation. For example, no, not, never, none, nobody, etc. Again, what is negative one? the sentence which are used to express the negative expressions in case of action, speech, etc. For example, no, not, never, none, nobody words are used as a negative words. Let us understand these things with the help of a table. While changing from affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. First one, only, alone, merely is changed into none but or nothing but. Second, must is changed into cannot but. Third, both and changed into not only but also. Fourth, everyone, everybody changed to there is no plus but. As soon as changes to no sooner than. To changes to so that. Always changes to never plus opposite of affirmative word. For example, only you can help me, none but you can help me. Shyam runs faster than Ram. Ram doesn't run as fast as Shyam. Everybody found the story interesting. No one found the story uninteresting. Not pretty good, pretty bad. The farmer did not disagree. The farmer agreed. Such spirits never die. Such spirits always live. Students, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. थैंक यू. स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, कीप लर्निंग. आपसे अगले वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी.